Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I've decided to do something very super easy and very quick. It's good for beginners, you know, if you're not very good with makeup, and it's also good for all my moms out there who are always on the go, because I know how hard it can be, because no one has time to be sitting down for 1 hour just to beat your face. So this look is pretty much for on the go. It's more of, you know, just to run around and do a couple of errands, but you just want to look a little bit put together. This is what this video is all about. So very quickly we're going to jump right into the video, but first I am going to put on my scarf just to lay down my edges. Okay. All right, so my scarf is on and we are good to go. So like I said, this look is very easy. We're gonna jump straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is my moisturizer. So I didn't moisturize my face this morning. I just used a serum because I knew I was going to be doing this look. So I went nice and easy. And then the next thing I'm going in with is a liquid highlighter. I'm going to go in with my foundation shade. I'm going to go ahead and just spray my face with a makeup with a makeup fixing spray. I'll take my foundation brush and go in. Go in with is a concealer. It's not too lighter than my skin complexion. I'm going in with the LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. Now I have some foundation left at the back of my hands, and I'm just going to place that on top as well. Just for my under eye area. Going back in with my foundation brush just to blend in the edges just a little bit. What I'm using to set my under eye is my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC45. Gonna go in with a powder, the same shade powder for my entire face, just to set the rest of my face very quickly and lightly. To go in with a bronzer, just something to sort of warm up my face a little bit. Going to go ahead and also add some colors to my eyelid, just to open my eyes a little bit more. The bronzer that I just used, I'm going in with a buffer brush with that same bronzer, and I'm using it all over my eyelid. I'm going to take a powder, something that I would use for contour, that's a few shades darker than me. With the same buffer brush, I'm just going to go in very lightly, transitioning area with the same brush, and just diffuse that in. Just very lightly, not too harsh. I don't have time to do my brows, so I'm just going to brush them in place. And then what I'm going to do is, I've got this eyebrow mascara and it's in the shade medium brown. It's quite light for me, but I don't mind. what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush that into my brows just to set them in place. Oh, I forgot to do something. That same brush that I used in blending in the darker shade and also to put the colors on my lid, I'm actually going to use that just to, whatever is left on the brush, to actually just contour my nose. I just checked on the camera and I realized my nose was looking very flat. And just give myself some sort of illusion that I have a bridge nose, even though I really do have a flat nose. Put on my mascara. Just taking a brown lip liner, I'm gonna line my lips and fill that in as well. And then I'm going to take some clear lip gloss. This is a very thick clear lip gloss, and just pop that on top. Alright, so I'm gonna be back with a finished look. I'm going to pop on my lashes, and I'm going to be back and show you guys the final look of everything all put together. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes the end of this video. All I did was just add on some lashes, and I added some mascara to my lower lashes as well. This look is pretty easy. It's very easy for a beginner, something you can incorporate into your makeup routine. And if you're a mom on the go and you don't have time to be sitting down and doing all of that, this is something you can definitely totally master between 10 to 15 minutes and you're out the door, literally. If I wasn't talking in this video, definitely this video from beginning to the end would have taken 10 minutes. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like what you see in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe and join the family. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Remember, God loves you and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.